Extracting gold from hard rocks, also known as hard ore, can be complex, but it can be simplified using the following relatively easy method that requires basic tools. Collect gold-bearing rocks. Look for rocks containing gold ore, which may appear as gold veins or shiny spots within the rocks. Break the rocks into small pieces. Use a hammer or rock crushing tool to break the rocks into small fragments for easier processing. Grind the rocks. Place the small fragments into a manual or electric grinder to produce a fine powder. Grinding increases the surface area, making it easier to extract the gold. Gravity separation process. Use a pan, sluice, to separate the gold using water. Place the powdered rock in a wide pan, add water, and gently swirl it. The gold, being heavier, will settle at the bottom of the pan. Use chemicals, optional. If gravity separation doesn't yield satisfactory results, chemicals like mercury can be used to separate gold from impurities. Clean the raw gold. After extraction, wash the gold thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining impurities. Gold smelting is a process used to separate gold from other materials and prepare it in a pure or nearly pure state. This is done by exposing gold to very high temperatures until it melts, allowing impurities and other metals to be removed. The process requires specialized equipment and tools to ensure optimal results. Basic steps of gold smelting. Preparing the gold. Clean the raw gold or gold granules from dirt and large impurities. Using a crucible. A heat-resistant crucible, often made of graphite or ceramic, is used to hold the material to be smelted. Adding flux materials. Substances like borax or sodium nitrate are added to lower the melting point of impurities and collect them as slag, which can be removed. Heating. A special furnace or a high-temperature torch, such as an oxygen gas torch, is used to heat the gold to its melting point, approximately 1064 degrees Celsius.